The biopharm industry relies on hygienic diaphragm valves for demanding process applications due to their unique balance of cleanability, drainability and pressure, temperature capability, active sealing technology. The constant force of the thermal compensation system provides a reliable seal that does not degrade over time. No retorquing, the seal is maintained over varying operating conditions, eliminating the need to adjust fasteners after thermal cycling. Diaphragm seal, the valve body and diaphragm create a seal on the leading edge of the D section, preventing fluid from getting into areas which would be difficult to clean and possibly lead to process contamination. The EnviZion Quick Change Bonnet. The advanced design provides toolless assembly, is fastener-free, is mistake-proof, eliminates human installation variability, and is 10 times faster than a traditional 4-bolt system. By incorporating the EnviZion valve into your plant, you'll achieve lower maintenance hours, reduced commissioning costs, and lower the potential for system contamination.